Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're talking about REMOVE.BG, which is the remove background tool that's free that can allow you to quickly remove the background from any image that you throw into it. So a lot of the time when you go open a new tab and you start to search for something on Google, and let's say that you need like transparent picture of a dog, just as an example, you'll go to images and you'll see like pictures like this one here, but it's not actually transparent when you open it up. This is actually a dog on a fake transparent pixel background. So if we saved this image, and I'll just throw this into my temporary Photoshop folder, and then we go back to the remove background tool, we can drag this file in here, and then this will automatically remove the actual background so that we can meaningfully use it. So now we can actually click to remove the background. Dog with actual background removed. And then boom, we have a dog with a removed background. Then we can click on this to open it up inside of our image previewer, and you can actually see that this weird speckled background has been properly removed. So here's the picture of the dog, and unlike the other picture, you'll notice that there isn't a weird background in it, and it even preserved the details in the dog's hair at pretty reasonably high quality, so it doesn't look all weird and smeary around the edges. So with this quick little free tool, you can remove the background from pretty much any picture if you need to do it now, and you don't want to boot up Photoshop, you don't have time, it's not on your computer, you don't use Photoshop, or you don't have any other program that you can use to quickly and easily remove a background. Is it foolproof? Not really. There are, like any program, these are only as smart as the computer behind it, but it's pretty accurate. Like, I've been testing and playing around with this for a little while now, and for the most part, this has hit like 90% of the images that I threw into it. Like, let's go ahead and go into my background folder here. I got a bunch of random junk that I've thrown in here from various different projects, and we can see which one we might be able to throw in there and try to remove the background on. Like this weird picture from Rando Is. Let's throw this in here. So this is the original, and this is with the background removed. Now, as you can see, some of the background, all of the background's removed, but some of the foreground, where we had the lighter colored pieces, got a little bit chopped up too. So let's go ahead and edit this image, and then let's restore parts of this tool. We can restore right here, and then boom, that's all done. Now we can download it as it is, save it randomly to our picture here, click on it to open it up inside of Windows Image Previewer, and boom, you can see there's no background back there, there's no mysterious white splotches here, it's already done and good to go, and you can throw this into whatever project that you want. So this is a free tool. I will put the link to this website in the video description. If you have any questions on how this works, most of it is pretty straightforward, but I'm happy to walk you through any features that are confusing to you, or if there's anything else that you might have a question on. So this is a free, powerful tool that will probably help a lot of people in their workflow at home or at their place of work. I don't know. Just use it. It's free. What's not to love?